I really appreciate that the efforts of the governor is really grounded on creating progress in the province of Cebu, and we have so many things to work on as of the moment. And then I like that her efforts and her time and resources are on the ground of achieving more progress for Cebu, and I'm sure those things can wait. And we're very happy that she identifies and she recognizes the pain points of the business district, because this also amplifies the economic landscape of Cebu, especially the employment part. Of course, bringing back tourism, bringing back investment confidence. So I'm happy that her attention is geared towards that. So I'm sure everything will come into place soon.
Yes. Actually, we are always in support mo yun, whoever sits as the government. But it's more inspiring actually if you see everyone aligned. Murabag kwan ba, regardless of what color or asa nagikan, we are going the same path. Murabag rainbow ba nga, different color ang rainbow, pero pag imong i-blend sila tanan, di ba gwapo kay tanan ang rainbow. So ingana ang akong pagtan-aw nga, if ever everyone, be it Mandawi Chamber, Cebu Chamber, Talisay Chamber, we will not think of where we belong, kung sa nga color or what organization we belong, including ang government as well, the LGUs, from the governor to the different mayors.
Decision niya is to support the chamber. It is good. Why? Right now, if you support the business sectors, meaning you are parallel also sa ilahang plano, sa chamber or sa business sector nga plano. So kung parallel ka, meaning you are not a hindrance or a balakid sa lambo sa ekonomiya nato, di ba? I mean, if you support the business sector, then you are a good leader, di ba? I mean, who else na ganahan nga ang leader nimo mubabag sa negosyante, di ba? Wala man siguro. So bisan kinsa musulti nga mo support ako sa negosyo, then you are also with that.
Uban ni People's Governor Pamela Pambari IV, gipahigayon ang unity team sa mga chamber presidents sa Sugbo. Gipaminaw sa gobernador ang mga negosyante o ang matag chamber president aron masayran ang ilang concern o ang mga hagit nga gisagubang sa sektor sa negosyo. Gilantaw ni Governor Pambari IV ang kamahinungdanon sa mga negosyo sa Sugbo aron daghan ang makatrabaho tungod kay dako kini og ikatabang nga mulambo ang ekonomiya. Gikalipay sa mga negosyante ang mahigugmaon nga liderato ni Governor Pambari IV nga maminaw gyud sa mga gikinahanglan nga serbisyo sa sektor sa mga negosyante alang sa kaangayan ug kalambuan. Ang first gentleman nga si Dr. Brian To nga usa-usab ka global strategist ug professor of strategy and leadership ni padayag sa iyang panglantaw sa kamahinungdanon sa kahiusahan ug pagtinabangay sa gobyerno ug business sektor alang sa paglambo sa ekonomiya.
So together we're very strong. So it's basic. Together we're strong, separate we're very weak. And that's why we have intrusion. Because there are many gaps. So we have to be together as one. And think about it, is recognition by the governor of all of the various chambers. Unity, that's the key. I mean, in a country that is occasionally viewed as being divided, and the world becoming more divided, it's necessary for us to pull together and employ each other's strengths and recognize each other's weaknesses. But we must be united because, from my perspective, it's much easier to raise capital. And then unity between the province and also the city. Wonderful. And now we're moving forward to uniting our chambers in such a way that we can be very, very strong together.
Ako si Monching Auxtero sa bagong liderato, manginlabot magpakabana tungod kay ato ang Sugbo.